Hey folks, Darth Alice here again, and I just wanted to show you one of my toys that I picked up. Beyond being a Star Wars fan, I really have enjoyed Doctor Who since the 70s, since the Tom Baker days. And I kind of wanted to pick up a Dalek for my collection, and after looking around and looking on eBay, I found this 12-inch BBC model that is authorized by them from the 10th Doctor. Thought it was pretty neat. And it's all remote control, so here, let's take a look at this thing. It doesn't work. Must be in demo mode, huh? Yes, it is. Alright, now it's on.
Seek, locate, annihilate. You will obey the Daleks. Obey, obey. We are the supreme beings. Exterminate, exterminate, exterminate. You will obey the Daleks. Obey, obey. You will obey, or you will be exterminated. Exterminate, 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 exterminate. Seek, locate, destroy. Seek, locate, annihilate.
So, there we go, folks. Thought you might get a kick out of that. This is Darth Alice once again, and have a great day. Thank you.